So, ang problem namin, mauuna ulit ako i-release yung mail. Then after 3 minutes, saka lang sila i-release. So, magkaantay tayo ng 3 minutes. Yun na siya, yun na siya. Go, go, go. 1 kilometer. 7:54. Minus 3. Yung pacing natin. 4:54. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Ay, shucks. 3 loops ta. Sorry baby, naiwan kita. Lapit na yan. Aahon na lang to tapos U-turn. Bulusok na kasi ano, pababa. Kaya pauna ko na siya. First loop, 10 kilometers. Come on babe. Time 27. Second loop. Last loop to go. Last 5 kilometers. Come on. Last 3 kilometers. Nice, nice. Tapos na tayo. 6 kilometers na lang in total. Pati takbo. Nice. High five. High five. Going back to transition. Okay. Last 3 kilometers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 1 kilometer. Facing 6:17. Run. Last 1.5 kilometers. 10 minutes, 20 seconds. Last 1 kilometer. Last 200 meters, mahal. Gosh! Hindi lang. Last 100. 50 meters. Come on. Come on. Go. Look at this. Come on. Naman to. Naman to. Come on. Come on. Naman. Go, go, go. Go. Nice. This one. Nice, nice, nice.
Congratulations, Pat Angela.